Come test drive the 2015 Range Rover. The luxury that's more than a luxury. It's quite apparent throughout our Range Rover heritage and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, air conditioning, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, center armrest, electronic stability control, compass, rear window defroster, trip computer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.